Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you the new tote from Orchid Hearts design. It's called Venice and I have it in brown. The pink one is sold out. This cool tote bag, you can make it as a backpack as well. It is kind of tricky. You have to pull the straps equally at the same time or adjust it to make sure you can wear it as a backpack, because of course if you pull just one out, it's gonna be kind of crazy. So make sure you pull both at the same time and then you will have equally the same amount to wear it as a backpack. If you're wearing it as a backpack, I do recommend you to hide this extra strap in the front so it looks much better wearing it. And that's it. Let me just show you the bag and the features and all the pockets that it has. We have two side pockets. They are not insulated. They do have a lining that is water resistant. It's not waterproof. That means if you just put water in there, you can clean it up. If something leaks, no problem, but if you leave it there, of course it's gonna sink. In the back we do have a zipper pocket. It is kind of small. It's not like that big, but let's say if you're traveling and using this bag, you can put your passports in there, no problem. And then you have 5 feet in the bottom. Very important that it's 5, because sometimes you put too much stuff on your bag, and this one does protect it when you put it on the floor. Okay, let's go to the packing portion. Right here I have, I don't know, this is, I believe is the swell bottle, is the big one. I don't know how many ounces. Let's see if it says here. Actually, it's 15 ounces bottle. It does fit here on the side. And I also have on this pocket the hand sanitizer baby Ganex that I absolutely love to use on his hands. I do have a different hand sanitizer for me in this front pocket. I use this one that is pretty cool. I guess the size, I love it. Then I have chapstick here as well. I have some things that he won on Love to Play. I have some stamps, random things, like it's like a catch pocket that you put everything you have in your hands in there, and it's pretty easy to access. So I usually put my cell phone as well in there and my car keys as well. The wallet, I prefer to put it here in the back because it's a zipper compartment, so I feel like it's more secure. I do have my wallet and all the coupons in here. This wallet is pretty cute. It's from Mario Hernandez. It's like a brand from Colombia, where these bags are made from, and it's just a little tiny wallet. It's from an old collection, so I don't know if they have it available on their website. And then here on this pocket, I have his bottle. We used this bag to go to my mom's house, so he already drank his milk, but we had it full of milk. And this is the Nook bottle, sippy cup bottle, and I absolutely love them. They are pretty cheap, economic, they don't spill at all. And then when you're putting this in the dishwasher, to remove this and to remove the straw, it took me a while to figure it out, to try to remove this, but you just pull it out and it comes off. Just a quick random thing in case you buy this one, because as soon as you buy it, you're gonna try to take off that to clean it up, and it's very hard. But no, just pull it up and it comes off easy. So there you go. They come like in 3 colors, I think in pink, in a green aqua that I own, and this blue one. And I ordered mine from Amazon. They were like $6. I believe Bye Baby carries them as well, and other stores. So let me just show you the interior of this bag. You have 2 zipper pulls, and I'm just gonna change the view here in a second so you can see everything that I have in this bag. You have the rings here to put them on the stroller. They also snap, so it just hangs easier from the stroller. But let me just show you the interior, because there's a lot of pockets in here. This is how the bag looks inside. It has this blue lining. Again, it's water resistant. It's very pretty. And the first thing I have here in the middle hanging, I have 3 pouches, but the first thing is my wet wipes. This is the Cactus Love print. We carry it at orchidheartsdesign.com. If you want to purchase there, they are $18 and you receive 2, just in case you want to keep one in the car or one in the house and then one in your diaper bag. So you have 2. We have Cactus Love and another print right now available, that is the Desert Love. And we also have one new coming up that the design is actually going to change as well, and you can pre-order it for $18 as well. The next thing I find here is my small set piece from the Vintro Collection. This is under the sea print. I absolutely love it. Look how cute it is. It's very vibrant colors, but I like to keep his snacks in here, and he actually recognized this pouch already. So let me just show you what I have here. In this one pack, I have an applesauce. I have some granolas that he usually eats when he's in the car. I have a granola for me here too. I really like these ones. This is the 3 or 180 snacks. If you haven't tried it, I believe they sell them in Marshalls, or like it's half Marshalls, half, I forgot the name of it, Home Goods. They usually carry them and they're pretty economic and they're very good, and only has 70 calories. It's like eating air kind of thing. Like you eat one and you want more. But anyway, I have a Dum Dum just in case we need to make him quiet for something. Like if he's just screaming his head off in a store, I just give him this and he's quiet. Or these ones, just in case. I think this is the first thing I give him as an option. If not, just a Dum Dum and then we're good. So these are just regular raisins, and everything fits in this small set piece that only costs like around $16. They had them on sale yesterday. If you were on the sale, hopefully you bought one of them. But right now they are $16. They're still on sale. Make sure you buy one of those, and we have different prints as well. Just check them all out on the website. And then this medium set piece, I have a change of clothes and a wet bag. You have a strap here just in case you like to use them, just to take them off the bag easier. But I have a change of clothes here for him and a wet bag from Jujubee. Let me just show you here how I have them fold. So this is just a change of clothes for him, and the wet bag in this print. It's an old print, but I really liked it because it has all the characters from Tokidoki and Hello Kitty, and it's a pretty good size wet bag that I usually use even to go to the pool. It's just put everything in there and just take it in your bag and you're good to go. Then let's see here, if you can see here, let me just show you this first. You have 3 big pockets here on this side with the zipper compartment as well. On the zipper compartment, you will receive your change pad. I don't have it in there anymore, and I don't have anything there. I have on this side, I have his cell phones. He likes to play with these ones. Maybe he feels this one, or maybe sometimes he likes to play with this one, so I just take both just in case. And then this is a change pad from Jujubee that I'm using from the new print from Harry Potter. We also have here Desitin and trash bags for poopy diapers, and we have 3 size 6 pull-ups. That's all I have in there, but you can see the 3 big compartments. If you have medium set pieces from Jujubee, they fit perfectly in there, so you have 3 spaces there for 3 different pieces, just in case you have a change of clothes, or I don't know, your makeup or things like that. You can do 3 set pieces there. Let's see what else. On this side, you have a big compartment here, either for a 13-inch laptop fits there, or smaller, or if you want to put your iPads or electronics there, you can as well. Right now I have a book for him. This is my favorite book. It's so pretty. It's just teach you alphabets and different words, and he can just trace with his fingers the alphabet, the different letters, and then it's a peekaboo kind of thing book. So I really like this book. I think I bought it on Amazon as well. I will link it down below. Here you have a key holder. Where is it? And on the key holder, I have my fat brain toy that he really enjoys playing with when he's on the car seat, and then a mozzarella kind of Hello Kitty keychain. Is it a keychain? No, it's like a cell phone kind of little thing that you can buy on eBay for like $5 if you're into Tokidoki. Then here in this part you have a zipper here that you can put your snacks there if you want to, but right now I have this little thing with my headphones and the charger. The charger goes with the charge bank, so I could either charge my headphones or I could charge my phone on the go with this big charge bank. I have 2 USBs here, and then you charge this thing with this one on the side, and it does also have a flashlight just in case I need it. I have that. And then in the bottom, I don't know if you can see, I have my med kit, but you can use this for a lot of things, to put your cables, your headphones, or things like that in there, maybe coins, or to put, if you have like a little girl, all the bows or things you use on her hair, you can do that as well. But right now I'm using it as a med kit, and on med kit I just carry this cream, because if he falls down I put this cream and he never gets like anything, like a bruise or things like that the next day. So I really like the calendula cream from California Baby. I have extra chapstick just in case I lose mine somewhere. I have sunblock because I live in Florida. I have band-aids, alcohol wipes, hand wipes, a bunch of different kind of wipes, and lotion as well. And these, we have them available for around $16. They come in different prints, and I will link them down below too. So let me just show you the empty bag right now. This is how it looks. You have a lot of organization here. You do not need to use all the pouches, and I just want to show you really fast how I have it packed without pouches. I have here in the back the book as well with the same toy. We have in these pockets the same stuff. We have the diapers, the change pad, and the cell phones. In the middle I do have his wipes and my what is this, the headphones case. And then on this zipper where the headphones were, I actually have all the snacks that I had in the other pouch. Just in case you don't want to use pouches to pack this bag, you are able to stay organized and you don't need any extra things for your diaper bag. I do have my bank charge here in the top, and then I do have one pouch that is this one. It's just hard to find a spot for all the things that you need on a med kit, and then you want to keep them secure and away from the kit. So I have this one right there, and then the change of clothes I added here in this zipper compartment. So that's all I have in this bag. If you guys have any questions or you want me to pack it a certain way, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.